and just by this little... Tell them to stop calling. No matter what happens, you have the peace of God that surpasses understanding. Know who this is? This is my daughter. Sign out of FaceTime. I thought I did. Thank you, Jenny. And Cody. And Thomas. And Tanya. All as a team effort. That's my daughter's 6-year-old friend that they just learned how to use FaceTime. It's a joy in our home, I got to tell you. It's just nonstop. They don't know what ignoring... Anyway. What was I saying? Oh, okay, so here I am.